Welcome back to Budget Smart Home Guide. Are you tired of high energy bills and feeling like your home isn't as smart as it could be? In this video, we'll show you 5 budget-friendly smart home devices that can save you money and make life easier, all while staying affordable and easy to use. Just a quick heads up, this video contains affiliate links. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Supporting the channel through these links costs you nothing extra, but helps us keep creating great content for you. Now, let's dive in. Number 5. Smart Thermostats. First up, the Smart Thermostat, a must-have for saving on energy costs. Devices like the Google Nest Thermostat learn your schedule and adjust the temperature automatically. Heading out for the day? It lowers the heat or AC. Coming home, it warms things up just in time. Smart thermostats can save you up to 15% on heating and cooling costs. That's around $140 per year for the average home. Find our top smart thermostat picks in the description below. Number 4. Smart Plugs. Control energy vampires. Next, we have smart plugs. These little gadgets help you eliminate wasted energy from devices left on standby, also known as phantom energy. One great option is the Kasa Smart Plug, a 4-pack for just $28.99. Control appliances remotely, schedule them to turn off, or even monitor energy usage, all from your phone. By cutting standby power, you can save $10 or $20 per device annually, and smart plugs make it effortless. Check the description for links to grab your own smart plugs, smart bulbs, bright ideas for savings. Lighting accounts for about 15% of your energy bill, but smart bulbs can help you cut costs. Devices like the Philips Hue or Sengled smart LED bulbs let you dim lights, set schedules, and even change colors to match your mood. Not only do they save energy, but they can also make your home look amazing. You could save up to $75 annually just by switching to smart bulbs. If you are ready for your own smart bulbs, find our picks in the description below. Number 2. Smart Security Cameras. Protect and save. Let's talk about security. A smart security camera, like the Blink Mini, doesn't just provide peace of mind. It can also lower your home insurance premiums. Many insurers offer discounts for adding security features, saving you 5 to 15% annually. The Blink Mini, priced at just $39.99, offers HD video and motion detection, making it a budget-friendly option for any home with the added bonus of two-way audio to keep track of your furry friends. Potential insurance savings, 5 to 15% annually. Secure your home on a budget. Link in the description. Number 1. Smart Water Leak Detectors. Avoid costly repairs. Finally, let's talk about smart water leak detectors. Did you know water damage repairs can cost anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000? A $40 leak detector, like the Moen Smart Leak Detector, can alert you to problems before they escalate. These small devices can save you thousands by catching leaks early, making them one of the best investments for homeowners. Avoid $2,000 plus in repairs with a $40 leak detector. Protect your home from costly damage. Find the link below. Smart home devices don't just make your home smarter. They save you money, reduce stress, and give you peace of mind. Which of these devices are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more budget-friendly tech tips. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more smart home tips.